Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. This is assignment number 14 of 9th class, subject English. The topic is reported speech. Okay? Change the following into reported speech, direct and indirect speech. His friends said, first one children, his friends said to Doctor, did the snake follow you? Right? So this is interrogative sentence. His friends said becomes here asked because it is interrogative sentence. His friends asked whom? Asked doctor. So did past tense. When a question begins with helping verbs, the conjunction must be if or whether. If the snake, did the snake follow you? Simple past tense. Simple past tense of direct speech becomes past perfect tense. If the snake had plus V3 had followed you becomes him. His friends asked doctor if the snake had followed him. Children, not question mark, full stop. Question mark becomes full stop. Means interrogative of direct speech becomes assertive in indirect speech. Now let's see second one. The doctor said, I want to marry a woman doctor. Right? So this is assertive sentence. The doctor said that, I means doctor. So he want becomes wanted. He wanted to marry a woman doctor. The doctor said that he wanted to marry a woman doctor. Now third one, the doctor thought, what can I do now? So this is interrogative sentence. The doctor thought what becomes what he can becomes could, what he could do now becomes then full stop. Interrogative begins assertive in indirect speech. Fourth one, Victoria said, I cannot be quiet. Victoria said that, I means Victoria, she cannot becomes could not, she could not be quiet. Actually, now let us see fifth one. Ben said, I am not particular. Ben said that, I means Ben, he. So this is past tense, so it must be changed into past tense. He was not particular. Ben said that he was not particular. Sixth one children, Hitesh said, I have got them on. Hitesh said that I is related to Hitesh means he, have becomes had, he had got them on. Hitesh said that he had got them on. Seventh one, he said it to me, how are you? So here said it to becomes asked because, so this is interrogative sentence. He asked me, how becomes how are you? So you is related to me, then it becomes I, or becomes here was. Present tense becomes past tense. He asked me how I was. Okay? Means interrogative becomes assertive in indirect speech. Now children, eighth one. She said to him, where are you going? said to, it becomes asked because this is interrogative sentence. She asked him, where becomes double H word, that becomes as it is, where you is related to him, that becomes he, where he was going, full stop. She asked him where he was going. Interrogative became here assertive. Now, ninth one, they said, who are you? See, here said becomes asked. They asked, so let us take me. They asked me, who becomes who. So you is related to me, who, I. Present tense becomes past tense, full stop. Who I was. They asked me who I was. Last one, children. She said it to me, how is your health? So said it to becomes asked. She asked me, how becomes how? How? Your means, so that is related to him. How is health is becomes was. Full stop. She asked it, sorry children, so here not me, she asked him how his health was. Okay children, she asked him how his health was. I hope you got this. Thank you, all the best.